On this video, I'll be showing you guys on how you can get more views and better performance on your YouTube video. This trick is actually something that a lot of creators, they're actually gatekeeping it and they are trying to keep it a secret. But on this video, I'm going to be exposing it so that you guys can also know this secret trick and start using it on your YouTube channel to see better results. Now, all you just have to do is make sure that you are uploading good and quality content that holds a lot of value, and then you merge this trick that I'm going to show you guys on this video together with that, and you're going to see better performance on your video, because now your video will be able to appeal to a lot of people positively, leading to better performance on your video. Before I continue, if you have any question at the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to smash that subscribe button also to stay connected to my channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis that can also help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. First of all, I'm going to start by showing you guys on how you can spot a video that has tendency of going viral, getting a lot of views on your YouTube channel, because a lot of creators, they just keep posting but they don't have the ability to spot a video that might actually go viral and blow up their channel. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually spot this. In order for me to do this, I'm going to have to jump to my YouTube Studio app to show you guys some few things. So let me open up my YouTube Studio app. So once in my YouTube Studio app, I'm going to show you guys my recent video that is actually doing really well now on my channel, which is this video that I posted 4 days ago. So if you look at this video, it's currently having about 1,100 views now in just 4 days. And if you see this ranking by views, you are going to see that they are showing 1 of 10. And apart from that, if you look at the impression click-through rate, you will see that it's showing 5%, or rather 5.1%. So if you have to click on this, you see well done, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. So if you are actually uploading a video like this on your channel, and then you spot something like this and you see that the click-through rate is 5.1, and then apart from that, you also see that it's showing 1 of 10 after like 24 hours or like 2 days, just have it in your mind that that video might actually go viral, or is going to bring a lot of views and bring a lot of subscribers, watch hours to your YouTube channel. Now that I've actually shown you guys on how to spot a video that has a tendency to get a lot of views or actually go viral, now I'm going to be showing you guys this trick that a lot of big creators are actually using to get a lot of views, myself included. Although I'm not a big creator yet, I'm actually still a small creator, because I just hit my 500 subscribers. And also, if you are to check my channel, you see that I even have a video that has about 10,000 views now, and it's all thanks to this trick that I'm about to reveal to you guys, so you guys can also apply it to your channel to see some better results on that your channel. Now all you have to do is just open your Play Store or your App Store, anyone that you have, and then search for Tag You. It's actually an app, so you are going to see the app there. Just download the app, and then once you are done, go straight to YouTube. Now what you are doing on YouTube is that you are going to be searching for trending videos. Okay, this is actually my video. So you are going to be searching for trending videos, like any video that is actually trending that you like to recreate. So you can see this video by vidIQ is actually having 37,000 views, and it was uploaded 2 days ago. So let me say, for example, I'm about to recreate this video. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy the link of the video. So once I'm done copying the link, I'm going to open that app, which is Tag You. So once I open the app, you can see this get tags from URL. Click on it, then paste the link of that video you are about to recreate. Then you see this search icon below on your keyboard. Click on that. In some cases, it's going to play an ad for you. All you have to do, just watch the ad, and then once you are done, it's going to show you this section that says get results success. Now all you have to do is just click on continue. So once you click on continue, you are going to be presented with all the tags that this creator actually used for this video that is making him to get a lot of views. So a lot of big creators, like I said earlier, they actually use this trick, because once they come on YouTube and they see a video trending, they don't just take the title and take the thumbnail idea and then create their video. They will go as far as copying your own tags that you used on that video that is making you to get views, and use it on their own video. I myself, I do this a lot, because whenever I see video trending, I don't just recreate the video. I make sure I copy the tags that that creator used with this app. So you can actually use this app to be doing that. So whenever you see a video trending, just copy the idea of that video, copy the thumbnail idea, but don't just stop there. Use this app to come and get the tags that that creator actually used on the video that is making him or her to get a lot of views. And once you apply these tags on your own version of the video, I'm sure you are going to see better result, because I've been doing this for months and it has been favoring my channel. So I'm sure it's going to favor your channel. So go and give it a try and come and thank me later once you start seeing good results on your YouTube channel. Now, before applying this trick, like I said earlier, make sure that you script your video in such a way that your video will hold a lot of value and is going to be appealing for a lot of people to watch. Because even if YouTube is to give your video a lot of views, if that video is not appealing to your viewers and they are just skipping, like they will watch for just like 40 seconds then they will skip, there is no way YouTube is going to keep promoting that video, because YouTube can tell that okay, this video is not actually interesting, people are not watching to the end and stuff like that. So make sure that you script your video correctly before applying this trick. That way both of them will work for your favor and get you a lot of views and positive results on that your YouTube channel. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it has been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, at the end of this video, or rather right now, you will already be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.